Hello guys, in this video we will check how to update the Drupal module using the Composer. Suppose you have installed any module and there is any security release or any update in the module. So in that case we will need to update the module to the latest version. So now I will go to my reports and will check which are the outdated modules which are present in my website. So right now it is showing that the admin toolbar module, for this module there is a update available. My current version is a 3.0.3 and latest version is a 3.1.1. Now I will go to the Drupal org page of that module. I will check the current version is this 3.1.3, which is the latest version, and the version which was installed in my system is 3.0.3, which was released on the 22nd September 2021. So now I want to update this version to the latest one. So for that I will go to my git bash, and I have git bash in my root directory of the website, and command to update module to the latest is composer update Drupal slash the machine name of the module admin underscore toolbar. You can get the machine name of that module from here. This one is the machine name, and next is the with pen and 6. After enter, now it will start the updating that module to the latest version. Yeah, so the model now it is the current updated version is 3.1.1. Now go to the backend and of the website and check if it is actually updated or not. Refresh this page. Yeah, so it is now showing the up to date. Though we have successfully updated the module using the Composer. The command for that is composer update Drupal, machine name of the module, and hyphen with dependencies. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.